Hello there boys and girls, today I will show you how to play DOOM on Linux or Windows if you are here just to steal the WAD files. So first of all you need to get DOSbox. It is a very popular Doom source port that I think is epic. So yeah, here you choose DOSbox. At least I recommend choosing DOSbox. So yeah, just choose for what OS you want it to be. I will choose Ubuntu as Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu. If you have a other Linux distro, try the source code maybe. Alright, so after you install it, just go to the link in the description and download the zip file. Then go to your files, click File System, and go to the apt folder. Now open the DOSbox folder and drag the WAD files in it. Also don't forget you have to open the folder as root if you want to be able to put the WAD files in the DOSbox folder. Now open DOSbox and choose what Doom version you want to play. Congratulations, if it opens that means you did everything right, smart boy. All we need to do now is choose the chapter and difficulty. Now you can go to options and make it look more vanilla, the rest is up to you.
Yeah.